Hi everybody, I'm really sorry I'm not with you today. Hopefully I'm not too bad. This was recorded Sunday evening, um, but Monday morning I'm off to the dentist and it doesn't feel like it's going to be a good experience. So unfortunately you've got a video recording lesson for bits of the lesson and then you've got some work to do by yourselves. So the first part of the lesson is this simple starter. I want you to differentiate the two green equations, differentiate the two black ones, and then differentiate the two purple ones. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few seconds. If someone can pause, or if you're watching this on your own, if you just press pause before I go through the answers, and I'll go through the answers with you in just a second. Okay, so pause now. Okay, and now we're going to go through the answers. So the answers on the next slide. But this is just what we were doing last week and the week before. So you should just be able to differentiate both of the greens. So you should end up with the answers here. So 6x plus 4 and 6x plus 4. 2 and 2 for the black. And then 45x squared minus 8x plus 3 for the two purples. So interestingly, when we differentiate these two lines or these two lines or these two lines, we end up differentiating to the same thing. So that's okay. Gradient functions are the same for two different things. But if they're both the same, how many different functions could I come up with that would differentiate to give me a gradient function of 2? So the purpose of today's lesson is we need to think about if I were going to start with a gradient function, how would I know what the original function was? So we're looking at the opposite. So I'm going to switch over now from the slides to my mini whiteboards, and I'm going to record the sort of main part of the lesson. Then I'm going to give you some work to do. So just a little switch over for you now.